am back. I still don't know how to make YouTube Shorts, and this is like my third time trying to make this video, cause I keep on accidentally ending it. But now I know not to leave my mouse on the record button. So yeah. All right, let's get started. So if you don't know what a fraction is, it's basically just a division problem. So 1/2 or 1/2 is equal to 1 divided by 2. Pretty simple, which is equal to 0.5. Yeah. And so now you probably know what a fraction is. I'm assuming you've learned about fraction if you're watching this video. But anyway, so let's say 1/2 times 1/3 is equal to. So multiplying by 1 over anything, let's just say x, is basically just dividing by x. So 1/2 times 1 over 3 is equal to 1/2 divided by 3. Or divided by 3. Yeah. Alright, so first we would do 1 times 1, which is 1. And then 2 times 3, which is 6. Yeah. So that's basically how you multiply. But we did something like 49 over 50 times, let's say, 10 over 7. This would be equal to that number. But you don't want to do all that math and then divide. So I'm just gonna show you something. So simplifying fractions. Yeah, I'll do that in another video. Alright, so 49 over 7. 49. So a cool thing you could do here is you could actually cross out the 49 and the 7 and make the 7 a 1 and the 49 a 7, because 49 divided by 7 is 7. And you could also do the same thing to the 10 and the 50. You can make the 10 a 1 and the 50 a 5. And then that answer would be equal to 7 over 5, which is a improper fraction. And a improper fraction is basically when the numerator, the number on the top, right here, is bigger than the denominator, which is this. So this is the denominator, and this is the numerator. Yeah, I don't know if I spelled that right, and I probably didn't, but now you know this is the numerator and this is the denominator. Yeah. So now so when you're doing something like this, like if it was 49 over 50 times 7 over 10, for example, you cannot, and when I say cannot, do this. You cannot cross out the 49 and make it a 7 and make the 7 a 1. Cannot do that. Same with the bottom. You cannot make this a 5 and this a 1. The reason is that you're just making the answer wrong. So you can only do it when it's 49 over 7, like this, and then make it 7 over 1, which is equal to 7 actually. So anything over 1 is just equal to 7. Or is just equal to the number. So anything that has a 1 in the denominator and whatever number is in the numerator would be that number. So like 8 over 1 would be equal to 8. And 9 over 1 would be equal to 9. Yeah, pretty simple. So also like you could 49, so like let's say 50 over 49 times 7 over 10. That is the exact same answer. Wait. Let me see, actually. Alright, so 7, 1. Wait, no, okay, my bad. That would not be the same answer. My bad. Sorry. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you multiply fractions. Also, like, you could move this around, so 49 over 50 times 7 over 10. It could be 7 over 50 times 49 over 10. You can do the same thing with the denominators. You can change it up, but only on the same the bottom ones you can only switch them up on the bottom, and the top ones you can only switch those up. Yeah, does that make sense? Yeah. Sorry, I just thought the video ended for a second. And yeah, that's how you multiply. Dividing is almost the exact same. There's just this rule. It's called keep, change, flip. And I will do that in the next video. Okay, bye. And you should watch part 2 if you want to learn how to divide.